Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the factory reset for your Samsung Galaxy FA. And there are two ways how we can do it. So the first way how we can do it is that when you are going to be in the app, if you can access it, and in the app you're going to have earbud settings, and then you're going to have reset under labs. So you would press reset, and then all your earbud settings will be reset to the default. So this is the first thing that you can do, and you're going to press reset. But if you can access the app, what you can do is go to, we're going to have your earbuds, and you're going to open them, and you're going to close them, open them, and then you're going to gently hold both. You're going to press a little bit on them. And do you see right now what's happening? They even, right now they're blinking, and you're just going to wait for, let's say 15-20 seconds. And then you're going to close the lid, and this is how you're going to do the factory reset. So these are the two ways how we can do it. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments, and I will be happy to help you. And you're going to close the lid. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.